Carrie with Seed to Spoon. So I'm out here getting ready for our dinner tonight, and we were in the kitchen getting everything together. We were making some chicken and we were talking about doing a chicken salad, and we thought we had a bunch of microgreens out here, so we thought we would come out here and harvest some. Unfortunately, our kale is not quite large enough to harvest from, but I saw that our broccoli microgreens over here, this is sprouting broccoli, and we saw that this was pretty large, and I think that will actually go really well into the chicken salad that we're gonna make with spinach also. So we're gonna go through and harvest some of our sprouting broccoli today. And unfortunately, broccoli is not one that's going to regrow back after we harvest from it at this stage, but that's okay because, I mean, really, we don't really need it to. We're gonna go through and thin it down, and I'm gonna try and leave about one broccoli plant per like square foot or so. So I'm just gonna go through and harvest the rest of it around a couple different broccoli plants, and we'll let those other ones keep growing. So really all I'm going to do is just take the scissors and just start cutting. You can also use a knife too. We've done that in the past before, just taking a knife and cutting down. So also another option. Okay, so I'm really only gonna take what we're gonna eat inside today, and this is probably about what Dale and I will use in the kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the rest of this back. I kind of tried to leave like a couple of little plants through here and there, and we'll see how those do. But I'm gonna leave the rest of this, and then I'll come back each day that I wanna come out here. I'll just grab a new stuff. So now I'm just gonna take this into the kitchen, and I'm gonna soak it in some cool ice water, and then we'll be ready to go for dinner. So we soak it on ice water just because it helps these leaves develop, like, I mean, it's really crisp, and it also helps to clean them too. So we always soak whenever we cut our greens, we always soak them for about 30 minutes or so. So if you missed our videos before, I posted a video actually planting this garden out. So I'll post that link down below, and I'll also post a link about a blog post that I wrote about microgreens and why they're so good for you and all of that. So check those out, and thank you so much for watching.